Hello, statistics. Welcome to week 2. Couple things I wanted to point out while we're here. So we're in Canvas. If we look on the left side here, you see how it says tutor.com, online tutoring and homework help? That is 24 hours a day, and it is completely free for you guys. If you have any questions, they can give you immediate response. As always, you can always contact me as well. Another thing that I wanted to show you is when I come in, we have a lot of work due every week. So within our week 1, we had that overview. We also had the whole knowledge path. So all 7 pieces in knowledge path. Our discussion with at least 3 responses. Our week 1 assignment, which was mini tab, and also that week 1 quiz. A lot of work due. The next thing we're going to show you here is information about that project. And in addition to that, week 2, so you're going to have a week 2 overview. This week we have a lot of work due. We have another knowledge path. I believe there's also 7 pieces within that. We have our week 2 discussion. We have our week 2 quiz. We have our project clean due, that's 20 points. And then our week 2 assignment, which is in mini tab as well. A lot of work going on here. If you go into discussion, the week 2 discussion, one thing I wanted to show you is if I click on this 3 little dots, I can show rubric. When I show that rubric, it's going to tell me exactly what I get points for. Weekly outcome, measuring central tendency and spread of data, research and evidence, writing, my peer responses. Just so you guys realize, they have now increased the points for those peer responses. 15 points for more than 3 peer responses per week. Encourages the participation of others. Peer responses demonstrate excellent preparation of the subject matter, contributes significant pertinent information to the discussion. Make sure that you are trying to keep those discussions moving. Make sure you're logging in and looking at what people are posting for you and what you're posting for others. 15 out of those 50 points. Remember, this is only out of 50 points. If you do not respond to your peers, you basically get a 70 on a perfect post. Please, please, please make sure that you are getting in there and doing that. When we look at the project claim, that's another thing that I want to talk a little bit about. What you need to give me is a question. The question needs to be a quantitative question. When you collect your data, you want to have one specific question with one specific number as an answer. How many Facebook friends do you have? They will give you a specific number. How much money do you spend on grocery shopping? Get one specific number. Don't let them give you a range. You need something that is going to give you one specific number. It cannot be a quantitative question. That means you cannot say, what is your favorite pet? They're going to answer cat, dog, fish, bird. You can't add cat plus fish plus bird and divide by 3. It does not make sense. If they tell you the number of animals they have, I have 2 pets, I have 3 pets, I have 4 pets. 2 plus 3 plus 4 divided by 3 equals 3. You need those numerical data. You need numbers, one single number as your response. As always, feel free to reach out. I look forward to working with you guys this week.